Got LED bulbs ready, going in the whole car. LED bulbs going in the blinkers up front. All the lights up front. Tail lights got LEDs. You can see the pigtail cut, so I can connect these to the 4 locations they go. And then I got LEDs for the reverse. Everything. Interior gonna have LEDs under the hood, trunk. These going in here. Yep, getting ready. Redoing this video, found out a couple of things. I've learned this with harnesses, messing with LS swaps, harness and stuff. No matter who you get the harness from, always check your wires. Cause I got a brand harness from a buddy of mine, from a good company. I ain't gonna say no names, but I always go check my harnesses. So this is a situation here to where I think I told y'all in the last video, I'm gonna let y'all see. You see this little split right here in the middle of that red and blue. All right, if you look, black and red is on the same side and blue is single. So you can see it the same thing here. And I was gonna put them on the same side to make sure I remember this. But when I thought about it, I said I bought 4 connectors, all of them should have been the same. And as you look here, blue and black is on the same side as well as over here. So I put these 2 on the passenger side and those 2 on the driver's side. But I come to think about it, I was telling y'all about wires not going such and such. So let me explain this to you. If you get this same connector, if you look, I'm gonna take this red and this cap come off here. It pulls off. And I open it up, and that's how I found out. I said this don't make sense, because if I run into something, I'm not gonna remember this. Even though I make these videos, I probably still wouldn't remember. So I'm gonna take this off. You see I got that, I'm gonna pull that off, and I'm gonna take that red wire and I'm gonna swap it with the blue. So here it is. This is how this goes, and this is for the driver and the passenger side. So your green wires on the passenger side is your tail lights, your blinkers, and the yellow ones on the driver's side is your blinkers. Your browns are your tail lights. I believe the brown are the tail lights, if I ain't mistaken. I can find out right now. Yeah, you see that? Brown is the tail light. So I really don't need to hook it up, but what I need to show you, I'm gonna have to hook it up. So let me put this right here. Put this back on here so I can give you this demonstration here. So I'll disconnect the red one now. And I'm about to, I got some of these butt connectors. I was gonna solder it, but I got some butt connectors that's made with heat shrink in them. I bought on Amazon. So let me explain this to you. So brown goes to blue on both sides. And I had this different because of the wire. So brown is going to the blue connector, which is the single connector on it. Black is ground for both sides. Red is going to yellow on the driver's side on both. This is what I was going to do. I was going to run all the wires to one connector, but he made them split, so I'm gonna run them that way. I can put some dielectric grease in there, and I don't have to worry about leaving that exposed, because I was going to use one and run both wires to one, but this would have been exposed. So I said I'm gonna use both of them, that way it's sealed up. And red goes to green, because that's your blinker. So on both connectors, red is going to green, and only 2 wires is going to piggy off of, 3 wires are going to piggy off each other on this harness here is the yellow, because yellow is on both sides of the tail lights harnesses, and green. So I'm gonna piggy off this green, because green is on the passenger. I'm gonna piggy to the green on the driver. Yellow from the driver's side is gonna piggy over to the yellow on the passenger side, and both of them need this orange wire. You see, I just got that in there. Both of them need that power, so I'm gonna run the power wire inside of this connector down here. I hate to do this because I haven't sealed it up, but I may drill a hole and put a little grommet in there to get power that's gonna come up to my, it's a wire in there that goes up to the trunk light. But yeah, I want to run this through to you guys. Let me show you here what I got going on now. I don't have my daughter here that can help me. Hold on, I gotta try this again. She usually help me, but she's not here. So let me show you what I got going on. Excuse that mess, all this junk. I gotta get ready to take it to the exhaust shop, and I wanted some tail lights. So here it is. Blinker for the driver's side. Blinker for the passenger side. I can't hit the brakes because you're not gonna be able to see it, I don't think. Let's see, turn that off. Let me see if I can kind of see if you can kind of see that brake light in there, back there. Cause I don't have this one hooked up, so that ain't got nothing to do with that, but you can kind of see as I hit the brake, you see it lighting up. So, and the emergency lights. So I'm gonna delete the other video and I'm gonna post this video. Like I said, remember, if you get this, I got this one from eBay. And like I said, I'm gonna take this connector over here. I'm gonna take the red and I'm gonna swap it over with the blue. Because that's what I was going by, that split, remembering which wire was which. So red go to green, blue to brown, black of course is ground, and over here red to yellow, blue to brown, and of course black is ground. And don't forget to put the dielectric grease in there if you use this. Like I said, this is what worked for me, and these are the connectors that I have. Got these here off eBay. No, off Amazon, and you can see eBay or Amazon, they both should have the same thing. And that that's a connector where I can heat shrink it. So stay tuned.